Do you remember a potato rhyme? Let's do the one potato, two potato song. One potato, two potato, three potato, four potato, five potato, whoa, six potato, seven potato, nine potato, eight potato, nine potato, and 10 potato. They all fall. Wow, it did fall. Oh no! Phew. They all fall down. Splat. Guess what we're going to make today? I think you already know. We are going to make French fries. It's really yummy and crispy, and the potato is the magical ingredient. Without potatoes, we cannot make French fries. Take a fresh long potato. Time to peel it. Okay. The first time peeling. Ah! You were so scared. It's not like I threw that scraper on you. Come on! See? It's so yellow. It's like first it's brown. It's first brown and then soon it turns yellow when you scrape. This is stuck. Where do you think the peel will go? It will go to the compost and it will get nice and squishy and we can put it for our plants to grow. Like trees. First it will step into sapling, then it will become into a toddler. Then soon it grows into a big kid. And then a big grown up that's called a tree. I wish there was like carrot French fries. Carrot French fries. Maybe it will taste awesome. Now the skin is peeled off. Yep. We'll ask a grown-up to cut it into thin strips. Yep. You should cut the strips like this. Now, here we have a cold bowl of water. Sorry, I got it. Here we have a bowl of cold water. Put the potato strips inside the cold water. This step helps to make crispy French fries. Put some salt in the cold water. Put the potato strips inside the cold water and soak it for a few hours. It looks like there's a reflection, so that's why it looks like an illusion. I'm keeping an eye on them. Preheat the oven. We soak the potato strips in the morning and we are going to eat it in the evening. Take a kitchen towel and dry the potato strips. Here you go. I'll take a blue one. Ready? Yep. I'm just so excited. So excited. It's okay if it's wet. We're drying it. Anyway. Hey, you did my pile. Yeah. No more. How much? Nothing. Okay. Time to fold. Make sure it gets dry with a nice and clean kitchen towel. Now, you know why I just my dress? Because I took Put the dried potato strips inside a bowl. I'm gonna take one by one. Don't take it one by one or it'll take for a long time since we have a lot of potato strips. Meera, grease the baking tray. Shall I have a go? Yep. Instead, let's work with two hands. That's a really easy way. Okay, Meera, you forgot to fold something. Yep. Can you please fold mine? Okay. Okay. There's enough oil. You just have to spread it around. Can I just try? Yep, try. Next, pour a little bit of oil. See if you can mix it, or else ask an adult to help you out. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and chili powder. Ooh, chili powder. It gives a nice twist to the French fries. Spread the potato strips on the baking tray. Bake it for 15 minutes or until it's cooked. It's ready now. Be careful, it is really hot. Then I'm gonna put the ketchup. We like this ketchup and it's pasta sauce. And we love it! That would be nice. Let's try. Let's try it out. Meera, ketchup. Really yummy. I have to say, this is the best French fries ever. It's like I'm gonna cry. Joy tears. Try it at home. It is really simple to make. Yeah. You should. Bye!